The power quality module serves as a current source, detecting the current signal of the harmonic source through current transformers, CT, and providing feedback to the power quality module. Therefore, the wiring of the power quality module includes power lines and CTs. The terminals for AC line connections on the rear panel of the power quality module are located here. When selecting cables and switches for the power quality module, please consider the maximum output current of the module. Each module supports both 3P3W and 3P4W wiring configurations, and the settings can be easily adjusted in the HMI. During the three-phase electrical connection, if the ABC phases are in negative sequence, it is necessary to set the HMI to allow negative sequence. Failure to do so may trigger a fault related to power grid phase sequence errors. Additionally, the power quality module is compatible with 400V, 320 VAC, 480 VAC, and 200V, supporting both 50 Hz and 60 Hz power grid frequencies. For specific setting methods and protection point parameters, please consult Enjoypowers engineers. The CT interface here connects to a set of 3 CTs. It is recommended to set the primary current of the CT to 121/50% of the actual rated current at the test point. The secondary current of the CT is 5A, and the measurement accuracy is recommended to be above 0.5 class. In the HMI, you can set the CT ratio, the direction from P1 to P2, and whether the CT is installed on the power grid side or the load side. Please note, the CT's installation position must be accurate, and the CT phase sequence must not be swapped. If you need more detailed information and price lists about Enjoypowers power quality products, feel free to contact Enjoypowers sales representatives. We look forward to providing you with professional service.